In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your full name on Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your changes stick, all without exposing any personal details. Start by opening your Perplexity account. You can do this on the web or in the mobile app. Just make sure you're signed into the correct account you want to update. If you manage more than one account, take a quick glance at the profile icon to confirm you're in the right place before you move on. Once you're in, head to Account and Settings. This is usually found by clicking your profile photo or initials in the top right corner, or by selecting the gear icon if you see one. The wording may vary slightly by platform, but Account and Settings is what you're looking for. Think of this as the control center for your profile information and preferences. Inside Settings, choose the section labeled Account. This is where your core profile details live, including your current full name. Take a moment to review what's displayed so you know exactly what you're about to change. Now, find the full name field and select Change Full Name. A text box or small pop-up will appear where you can type your updated name. Enter it exactly as you want it to appear, paying attention to capitalization and spacing. Keep it clean and professional if you use Perplexity in work or academic settings, and avoid adding personal details like phone numbers or IDs. If your name includes special characters or diacritics, add them carefully so your name displays correctly. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Look for a button labeled Save, Update, or Done, and click it once. If nothing seems to happen immediately, give it a moment. Sometimes the change takes a second to reflect. You can refresh the page or briefly navigate away and back to confirm the update. If you're on the mobile app, closing and reopening the app can help the new name show up consistently. A few quick tips to wrap up. Changing your full name here updates how your name appears in your Perplexity profile, but it doesn't change your email, password, or any billing details. If you don't see the option to edit your name, make sure your app is updated to the latest version or try using the web version. And if you collaborate or share links, remember that your new name may be visible to others, so choose a format you're comfortable displaying. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, go to Account and Settings, select Account, click Change Full Name, and save. You're all set.